Hello all. Today let us understand the basic of SEO, which is search engine optimization. When we talk about digital marketing, one of the most important domain is SEO. In simple words, SEO will help you to rank organically on Google. So, if I give a definition for it, it is the practice where we optimize our websites in order to increase the visibility on the search pages. Where if someone types, for example, if you own any bakery or any particular shop in particular city, like cake shops in Mumbai, cake shops in Bangalore, if you want to rank for it organically, which is non-paid ads, then you have to have a good SEO practices. That is usually done by the usage of the keywords that we'll understand in later videos. So, why SEO is important? Why any website needs to have SEO? Is it necessary or is it optional? In that case, I would say SEO is not an optional, it is compulsory for any website if you are aiming to rank organically. So, once you incorporate SEO, it will help you to increase the traffic, increase visibility. It means if you're ranking organically, it means that your SEO practices are working well. So that is reaching to your potential customers, which we call like target audience. And credibility, trust, because if you're ranking higher means you have more good domain authority and trustworthy website, which is given by Google or other respective tools. Cost effective, which means SEO is free of cost. SEO mainly requires keywords, but in order to shortlist the keywords, yes, probably we need to use some of the free tools or some of the paid tools that I'll cover in the next part. But when we talk about SEM, which is opposite of SEO, where we need to paid, where we use Google ads, LinkedIn ads, other type of ads. But here SEO is cost effective. And later, what are SEO best practices? Like how we can achieve SEO practices. To begin with, one needs to understand, if you're owning any kind of business, you need to have a clear understanding that who are your target audience and what you want to provide them. For example, if I own any cake shop in particular city, I would aim to get traffic initially only in my city. So if it is Bangalore, any other city, I will understand that I will then shortlist the keywords respective to my business, and my next step will be how I will be incorporating those keywords on my website. It is not confined to any one of the pages, it is for the whole website. It includes even image optimization. So we have to incorporate keywords on our web pages in meta tags, titles, headings, and even in image optimization in alt text, many other places. So, and when we talk about SEO best practices, there are if you already know, aware, if you don't know also, in SEO we have three parts: on page SEO, off page, and technical SEO. But on page SEO is something, all these title tags, meta description, headings, image optimization come into picture. And optimization for a mobile, which is you have to make sure that your website is good for multiple number of devices. It can be desktop, it can be mobile also. And how much as much as keywords are important, equally the content is also important. Means content quality, how unique is your content, that also plays a major role when we talk about SEO best practices. As I mentioned before, there are many tools which we can use for SEO, especially for the keywords. So there are analytics tool which will help you to track the traffic of your site, and also you can understand how the website is working. Then we have search console that will help you to understand the site performance. Then there are keywords tools like SEMrush, Moz, Ahref and Google Keyword Planner, which will help you to understand the volume, keyword difficulty of some keywords based on the location also. So from using such tool, you will understand that which keywords you can use for your business on your website. So we will understand one by one in our future videos. Stay tuned. We will be back again with more such knowledge. Thank you.